Good morning, students of standard 12. Welcome in day 30. As you know that in day 29, I have solved some questions and I have given to complete up to 30 questions. Okay. So today I will start from question number 30. So let us see question number 30. First of all, you will sit with pen, notebook and your math book and turn page number 140 and see the question number 30. Question is there. We have to find the integration of x square cos x dx with limit 0 pi by 2. Okay. This is your question. First of all, let I is equal to x integration of x square cos x dx. Okay. You will just remove the limit. Okay. You have to find here simple integration of x square cos x dx. Okay. And you have to solve this question by integration by parts. Okay. So this is first term, first derivative, first function. So you will contact x square and you have to find the integration of second function cos x dx minus integration derivative of first function dx square by dx integration of second function cos x dx whole dx. Okay. X square and you know integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x minus integration first derivative of x square 2x integration of cos x sin x. So integration 2x sin x dx. Okay. Now it becomes x square sin x minus 2 integration x sin x dx. Okay. X square sin x minus 2. You will again find the integration by part method. Okay. So this is first function x, second function integration of second function minus integration first derivative of first function dx by dx integration of second function sin x dx. Okay. X square sin x minus 2 x and sin, you know sin x integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x minus integration dx by dx 1 sin x integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x dx. Okay. X square sin x plus minus plus 2x cos x minus plus minus 2 and integration of cos x sin x. Okay. Minus 2 sin x. Okay. Now integration, put the integration value of given question 0 to pi by 2 x square cos x dx is equal to integrate put the limit in answer x square sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 sin x with limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now put the value of pi instead of x. Okay. So pi square by 4. Pi square by 4 sin pi by 2 plus 2x 2 into pi by 2 cos x cos pi by 2 minus 2 sin pi by 2. Then after you will put the lower limit 0 minus 0 is nothing, 0 this is 0, this is also 0 because 2 into x is 0, this term also 0, minus 2 sin x, sin 0, 0, so it will be 0 also sin 0. Okay. Now final answer is pi square by 4, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, so it becomes pi by 4, 2 cancel out, pi cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0, so it becomes 0, minus 2 sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, so this becomes minus 2, plus this term of 0. So your final answer is pi square by 4 minus 2. This is your answer. Now let us see next question. Now student, see question number 45. In question number 45, you have to find the integration of dx by x square plus 1 with limit 0 to infinity. Okay. This is your question. Okay. 0 to infinity, we have to find your integration with limit 0 to infinity dx by, you will arrange the term x square plus 1 square and I have solved and I have given one formula. You have the integration of 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. Okay. This is the differentiation of the function 1 by x square plus a square. Okay. So a is here 1. Okay. So you will put the formula. Integration of this part is 1 by a is here 1 by 1 tan inverse x by a. A is x by a is here 1, so tan inverse x by 1 with limit 0 to infinity. Okay, 1 by 1, that is nothing, tan inverse x. So you will write here tan inverse x with limit 0 to infinity. Okay, now put the value of infinity, tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0. Okay, now tan inverse infinity values tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 value is infinity minus tan inverse tan 0 is equal to 0. So you will put 0 instead of tan 0. Okay, tan inverse cancel out, it becomes pi by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel out, it becomes 0. So your answer is pi by 2. This is your answer. Now student, let us see next question. Now student, see question number 46. In question number 46, you have to find the integration of function 1 by 9 plus x square dx. Okay, this is same as question number 45, but limit is here different, minus infinity to infinity. So I will discuss here. Okay, limit is here minus infinity to infinity dx by 9 plus x square. You will arrange the function integration minus infinity to infinity dx by 3 square plus x square. You will arrange in the form of a square plus x square, and you know the integration of function 1 by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a is here 3, so 1 by 3 tan inverse x by a. X by a is here, so your final answer is integration of 1 by 3x square plus x square is equal to 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3 with limit minus infinity to infinity. Okay, 1 by 3 is function term, tan inverse x by 3 put here minus infinity to infinity. Okay, 1 by 3, now put the value of infinity, tan inverse infinity by 3 minus tan inverse minus infinity by 3. Okay, and infinity by something equal to infinity. Okay, so 1 by 3 tan inverse, this becomes infinity minus tan inverse minus infinity. Okay, now 1 by 3, this becomes tan inverse, and you know tan 0 is equal to 1 by 0, so it becomes 0. So this value is tan inverse tan 0. Okay, minus tan inverse minus infinity minus tan pi. Put value of tan pi is equal to minus infinity, so you will put here minus. Okay, so 1 by 3 tan inverse tan is not 0, this becomes 0, and this becomes minus plus pi. So your answer is pi by 3. Okay, students, I have solved today question number 30, 45 and 46, and there are 48 questions in exercise 5A. So today I have finished this chapter, so you will do all the questions of this exercise 5A. Okay, so today's homework is, write down your homework for day 30. Do exercise 5A. Okay, this is your homework for day 30. Homework day 30, do exercise 5A. That means you will solve all the questions. There are 48 questions in this exercise, so you will do more practice. You will solve once again all the questions from question number 1 to 48. This is your homework. Today's class is over. Thank you all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.